Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing your phone, check Android version and free space, and decide whether you'll use the Play Store or sideload an APK. Open Google Play, search CPUZ, or download a reputable APK if necessary. Once you tap Install, grant permissions the app requests for device info. These let CPUZ read sensors and hardware data. Keep your device unlocked and on a stable Wi-Fi connection. Large updates or sideloads can fail on spotty networks. You open CPUZ and land on the CPU tab where core count, architecture, and current clock speeds appear. This shows how your SoC behaves under load. Switch to the thermal or system tabs to read temperatures, battery voltage, RAM usage, and storage capacity. Make sure to observe idle versus active frequencies to understand throttling. If you need precise measurement, run a short workload and watch frequency and temperature changes in real time to correlate performance with heat. You finish by saving or screenshotting critical readings so you can compare later. This is essential when diagnosing intermittent issues. Reboot the phone and run CPUZ again to confirm persistent hardware behavior, and if results differ, try safe mode to rule out third-party interference. If CPUZ shows missing sensors or blank fields, make sure app permissions are granted. Reinstall the app or update your OS. If problems persist, consider factory reset only after backing up data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.